Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here again. I've been getting a lot of comments. Some of you are curious about who I am and who is behind the camera. So today I'll share a bit about myself while making some delicious slappy chips with Russian sausage on the side. Alright, let's dive right in. We'll need 8 big potatoes and I'll answer a few of your questions along the way. So these amounts of potatoes can feed a family of 4, 2 potatoes per person. You want to slice them up into potato slices or into how you love your slappy chips. The secret to these chips that I discovered, and yes, I've made a video about this and I have improved. I've learned a few secrets and a few tips. Definitely this time won't be boiling them, but we will use ice cold water. Yes, so you want to pop these into ice cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have ice, no problem, just stick them in the freezer for about the same amount of time. Back to me. Many of you have been guessing who I am based on my content, and I'm here to clarify a few things. I am a food blogger, not a professional chef or any fancy. I just really enjoy sharing simple fun recipes with all of you. And yes, I live and I work right here in South Africa. Next, pat these potato slices dry using a kitchen cloth or some paper towels. I didn't have any paper towels, that's why you see me using this beautiful clean kitchen cloth. Once dry, then we fry the potatoes the usual in a lot of cooking oil. I know some of you are gonna ask for the measurements. How much cooking oil should we use? Just use as much as you can in your pot, maybe half a pot, and make sure this oil is hot, and then you can add in your potatoes. Once we fry them, they should float to the top of the oil, crisp perfection. Let them rest on a sieve or a kitchen towel to get rid of the excess oil. And now is the perfect time to add in your favorite seasoning. I love the brown spirit vinegar and some salt. They go well together on the chips. That's how I like them, but you feel free to add in whatever you like. While this cool, let's fry up this chicken Russian sausage. I found this one recently. I've never seen it before, so let's give it a shot. Well, about my content, I really appreciate all your support, your comments, even the critical feedback. It helps me grow and improve every time. I first gained popularity on TikTok in 2022 when one of my videos went viral. It had over 1 million views. That really inspired me to take on the YouTube journey as well, although as many of you know, it's a whole different ball game. All right, here we go. The slab chips are golden, crispy, and paired perfectly with our fried Russian sausages. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this journey. Your comments and encouragement really mean a lot, and who knows, maybe by the end of this video I'll show my face. Fortunately, my camera wasn't on my favor. My face was cut down, but it's okay. But this food really tasted good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep having fun in the kitchen. Bye.